Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire escape engineers, Inspector Cunha, inspecting this fire escape. As you can see, I'm on the platform and there's the threads going down. All this is an all welded fire escape. All welded. As you can see, the moisture around here, the water right here by my fingers coming running. It's running down this pole right here, all the way down, and it's coming out of here from one of the cracks from the inside, and that's the moisture inside coming out. And this thing in the winter time will freeze and expand and crack the steel. So as you can see, this is in need of a paint job. All welded bars. You can see the steel already here where it's cracked. And as you can see, all the backing plates on these stairs are all going to have to be replaced. See it right there? All that rust is from them right there. It's this one here. As you can see it, daylight. This one here is gone. So if they want all these would have to be replaced. Like I said, all welded fire escape. All these welds are intact, but they're suspects because I can't tell if they're good or bad. And as you can see, all the welds destroyed from the inside out. You can see all the rust starting to form here and bubble. As I'm coming down to the floor, you can see all the backing plates through the threads missing. And they're all rotted, as you can see. Pipe in here already burst and froze from the winter from the weld broke. As you can see the hole right there where the water's going in, getting out. All welded fire escape, as you can see on the stringer. Completely, no nut and bolts. As you can see, the backing plates hanging and all the rust on these backing plates. As you can see them all right here. See it? Pretty bad on all of them. You can see right there. And that's the worst of it. You see some tearing, little bits, but these need to be all backed up with bolts. Every single one of these, because all these are suspects. As you can see, all the rust completely underneath all this. Look. All underneath the stairs, as you can see. All the backing plates are rusted and rotted, and all welded fire escape. In dire need of a paint job and in a scraping. Inspector Cunha signing off.
Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.